In this video we are going to discuss about this 3D printer builds houses in 24 hours. For centuries, building a house meant lots of people, materials, and time, slow, expensive, and wasteful. But now, there's a new tool. A giant 3D printer. Building real houses, not just plastic models. Instead of cutting materials, we build up layer by layer additive manufacturing. Why does this matter? Because it tackles speed, cost, and sustainability all at once. Imagine building a home structure in under 24 hours. This is happening today. 3D printing could revolutionize disaster relief and help solve housing shortages. Traditional construction can't keep up with demand. Skilled labor is scarce and costly. 3D printing automates much of the process, reducing labor needs and improving safety. The printer works non-stop, rain or shine, making construction more efficient and accessible. And it's not just about cheap boxes. This tech allows for creative, beautiful designs, curves, textures, and shapes that are tough with traditional methods. Architects can dream bigger and homes can be unique and functional. We're just starting to explore what's possible. 3D printing moves us from a world of straight lines to one of organic, creative homes. It's a new frontier in architecture and construction. The promise? Faster, cheaper, and more sustainable homes for everyone. The future of building is being printed one layer at a time. So, how do you print a house? It all starts with a computer, not a shovel. Architects use CAD software to design a detailed 3D model, every wall, window, and door mapped with precision. The model is sliced into thin layers, creating a path for the printer's nozzle. On-site, massive 3D printers, either gantry systems or robotic arms, are set up. The foundation is usually poured traditionally, but some companies now print it too. Once ready, the printer is loaded with a special concrete mix. Guided by the digital plan, the nozzle extrudes the material layer by layer, building up the walls. Each layer bonds to the last and the house grows from the ground up. The process is precise, efficient, and mesmerizing to watch. Hollow wall designs save material and create built-in channels for utilities. The result? A strong, efficient structure ready for finishing. Printing a house is as much about digital precision as physical construction. Time-lapse videos show 3D printed homes rising in hours, not months. Companies like Icon can print a home's walls in about a day. The printer creates hollow patterned walls, strong, light, and ready for insulation and wiring. After printing, crews add roofs, windows, and doors using traditional methods. Utilities are run through pre-made channels in the printed walls. The finishing touches, plumbing, electrical, paint, turn the shell into a home. Inside, these homes look and feel just like any other, but were built in a fraction of the time. It's a seamless blend of automation and craftsmanship. What about cost? 3D printing slashes labor, waste, and time, making homes 20–40% cheaper. Fewer workers are needed, just a small crew to oversee the printer and finish the build. Material waste drops to near zero, saving money and reducing environmental impact. Real-world examples. New Story built a 350 square feet house for $10,000 in under 48 hours. Later, similar homes cost under $4,000. In Mexico, entire communities are being printed faster and cheaper than ever before. The upfront cost of a printer is high, but as the tech spreads, prices will fall. Building codes and regulations are catching up, but the trend is clear. 3D printing is making homeownership more attainable. It's not just theory, it's happening now. The savings are real, and the impact is global. The future of affordable housing is being printed today. The future of 3D printed housing is just beginning. New materials like carbon-negative mixes and recycled plastics could make homes even greener. Printers will get smarter, able to print walls, insulation, wiring, and finishes in one go. Multi-story buildings and apartment complexes are on the horizon. Disaster relief could be transformed, rapidly printing shelters after earthquakes or hurricanes. NASA is even exploring 3D printing for habitats on the Moon and Mars. Most importantly, this tech can help solve the global housing crisis. Faster, cheaper, and more sustainable homes mean dignity and security for millions. 3D printing isn't just a new way to build, it's a new way to think about home. The next chapter in construction is being written, one printed layer at a time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.